Hi, I'm Dr. Kim Evans. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the extremely important colonoscopy bowel prep. First, let's address the elephant in the room. Almost no one likes to do the bowel prep. It's definitely the worst part of getting a colonoscopy. So why do we make you do it? There are 3 reasons. First, it's imperative that you have a clean colon so that we can identify polyps when they're small. If there's still stool or even residue left on the colon walls, it can be very difficult to identify polyps. There's a good chance with a poor prep that your colonoscopy could be canceled. Additionally, with a mediocre prep, we might miss those polyps when they're small, and they could grow over the 10-year interval before your next procedure. Second, it's not safe to use cautery for larger polyps if there's stool in the colon. We could actually light a fire. No one wants that. Third, it's just not nice. No one wants a bunch of liquid poo squirting all over them during the procedure. So, for the sake of a good exam and a happy endoscopist, please adhere to the following instructions. At least 1 week prior to your scheduled colonoscopy, purchase the Suprep kit from your pharmacy of choice. The kit contains 2 6-ounce bottles of medication and a 16-ounce drinking cup. While you are there, pick up a variety of clear liquids, broth, and jello. You may drink anything that is translucent. If you could see newspaper print through the liquid, it counts. Additionally, consider picking up some over-the-counter perianal soothing ointment, such as Vaseline or Desitin. Your bottom might be sore if you do the prep correctly. Starting 7 days prior to the procedure, we want you to cut down on high-fiber foods. These foods are not easily digested and can hang around for several days, obscuring the colon mucosa. During this week, avoid nuts, seeds, whole grains, beans, corn, and raw fruits and vegetables. Also, stop taking any medication that prevent diarrhea, such as Imodium or kaopectate. 1 day prior to your colonoscopy, from the time you wake up, you are only to eat or drink clear liquids. Do not eat any solid foods this whole day. Examples of clear liquids include water, mineral water, chicken broth, bone broth, vegetable broth, Gatorade, Roar, popsicles, black coffee or tea, Crystal Light, vitamin water, you get the point. Avoid anything red or purple and steer clear of alcohol this whole day. Between 3 and 6 p.m. the day before your procedure, you are to take the first dose of your prep. Pour 1 6-ounce bottle of Suprep solution into the drinking cup provided in the kit. Add cool drinking water to the line on the cup and mix the solution. Drink the entire solution and 2 additional 16-ounce cups of water over the next hour. You will likely have loose stools and some diarrhea after part 1 of your prep, but your stool will not yet be clear. That's okay. This is only step 1. Remember, it is normal to have some cramping and loose stools with your prep. Step 2 of the bowel prep begins 8 hours prior to your scheduled arrival time. For example, if you are scheduled to arrive at 8 a.m., you will begin part 2 at midnight. If you are scheduled to arrive at 2 p.m., you will begin part 2 at 6 a.m. A lot of patients will get some sleep between the 2 doses. Make sure you set your alarm for part 2. Again, you will pour 1 6-ounce bottle of Suprep solution into the drinking cup provided in the kit. Add cool drinking water to the line on the cup and mix the solution. Drink the entire solution and 2 additional 16-ounce cups of water over the next hour. Shortly after completing the 2 additional cups of water, you should have significant diarrhea. You will know that it's worked when you start to have clear or transparent yellow output. Once you get clear stool, you will know you've done a good job completing your prep. Congratulations, and thank you for doing your part. Thank you for your time. In the next video, we will discuss colon cancer screening, polyp removal, and why we recommend colonoscopies. I hope that this video was helpful. If you would like to learn more, please subscribe.